Hi guys, and thanks so much for stopping in for yet another video. All right guys, today we are organizing my refrigerator. It's a mess right now, a complete mess, but we're gonna get it taken care of. But before we go any further, I have to send a huge thank you out to the sponsor of today's video, Signature Tableware. Yes, I know none of us are getting together and having gatherings, but here in my home, we are partying like rock stars over here thanks to Signature Tableware, guys. Here in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can throw a gathering for the immediate members of your family, and the cleanup is going to be amazing. So please stick around and I'll share with you how my family and I are handling this kind of social quarantine. All right, so yeah, raise your hands in the comment section below if your refrigerator is looking anything similar to mine right now. Just really unorganized, has no rhyme or reason. Items are just shoved in there. And this is just a reflection of what is going on in the world right now. Many of us are trying to ensure that our basic needs, that is food and water, are, taken care of. And so in my case, Eric has been making multiple trips to the grocery store. Really, Eric? So we have actually made it to Kroger, and Eric is here cleaning off our buggy. He is using one of my wipes, and he has some hand sanitizer. So to begin Operation Refrigerator Organization, I'm going to start by adding a little vinegar to a fresh, clean sink of water, and I'm going to get my fruit and veggies clean. These days, I am being very diligent in making sure that every inch of my fruits and vegetables are absolutely spotless, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and bring up from the basement as many containers as I can get my hands on. And so with the containers all clean and dry, I'm now going to turn my attention to the refrigerator and removing every single item. I'm going to look at expiration dates, toss those items, remove the items that I also want to keep, and give the entire refrigerator a clean and thorough wipe down. And so while the fridge dries out a little bit, I want to go back and revisit Signature Tableware, our sponsors for today's video, guys. If you're anything like me, you are just itching to entertain, but we just can't do it right now. So I have been really enjoying putting on little party nights, or game nights, I should say, for Eric, Chase, and I, using this Signature Tableware, guys. It makes cleanup so easy. Now, while I love my guys, I'm not really looking to break out all of my, fancier party or tableware for just the three of us. So Signature Tableware came in just the perfect time, at the perfect time for us. We are able to utilize our dining room, which we rarely ever use for just the three of us. But during these times, I think it's very important to, make sure the ones that are really close to us, the ones that we really and truly love, they get some of that extra special attention, that attention that we give to others who come into our homes. We should give our sons, our wives, our spouses, our kids that same attention. And so using Signature Tableware, they are able to get that treatment that I absolutely give to others, and I am not having to do that, really big cleanup. So we have really been enjoying using the Signature Tableware during our little game nights here while we are in isolation. I love the colors. You have 3 different colors to choose from, guys. I think you all will enjoy it too. I will be sure to leave the link below for where you can go and pick up your Signature Tableware set. So for me, and you guys will have to leave a comment below and let me know, the fun part about cleaning out the refrigerator is putting everything back. It's like you get to decorate your refrigerator in, different fun new ways. So that's what I am doing right now. I'm going to start by putting the fruit and veggies back in because, I don't want them to start to spoil. And what I love to do with my apples, I like to cut them up. I love putting apples in my salads. So having a lot of the work already done for me is really great. As you can see, I'm sprinkling a little bit of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, over the top, and that keeps them looking fresh for as long as possible. I love mixing my greens and then placing them in an airtight container. It's very, very pleasing to the eyes. And then two, you're able to go in and grab, big bunches and handfuls and readily have them available for the salads. I often find it, a little difficult to eat celery, but having it already cleaned and prepped for me makes it a lot easier for me to grab as opposed to grabbing chips. So here it is, guys. I absolutely love how everything turned out. There is organization. There is now some type of rhyme and reason to where everything is placed. I have labeled some items that kind of look like other items in the refrigerator. I have my lemon and lime water there in these bottles ready for me to grab and go down to the gym or out for a walk. That's about as far as I'm going these days. There are my apples there. Everything just looks so very nice. And there's my fruit there, my lemons, my extra limes, my oranges. Everything has been washed and dried to perfection. And the drawer right next to it is my drawer where I have the items for my salads. There's my celery there. I have celery on the brain. My avocados are fresh and ready to go. Some garlic, some nuts there that I like to toast up from time to time and place in my salads. So I just love how everything looks now. It's just so nice and neat. I love this drawer right here. I call this my breakfast drawer. I have my eggs, my cheeses, my bacon, sliced cheeses there for Chase's sandwiches. So everything has a place. You guys know I tout that so much here on the channel. Everything will look and appear neater if everything has its own little home. I have this container here that I put together for leftovers, and who doesn't love some good leftover cold baked chicken? That's what that is right there. You know what? That's not baked chicken. I actually put that in the air fryer. But it's so really good cold, and it pairs well with that sparkling Welch's grape juice right there. And over on the side door, I tried to put the sauces and condiments together by color, making it easier to find. And there's Chase's little hot dog station right there. So everything is just nice and neat, and I am loving it. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Don't forget that the contest is still going on, so be sure to leave a comment below. I'm looking for those names, and I really do appreciate you guys stopping in. Remember to be safe and take care.